Okay, this is part 3, our making words. And what we're going to do is take a blend from up here on our top line. These are all our blends. And we're going to add them to a word family at the bottom. We're going to combine it. So we're going to have a blend here, a word family here. Notice all our word families have a vowel because every word has to have a vowel. A, E, I, O, or U. So let's start. First of all, let's read these out loud and then we're going to combine them down here. You ready? Pr, tr, gr, br, cr, fr, dr, pl, cl, bl, fl. Right now our word families. At, im, at, ill, ip, ink, ac, est. All right, let's select our first word family. I will take this one and move it here. And let's fix that. Right. Okay. Okay, we have our est. And let's pick one of our blends. How about, let's take the pr. And I'll select. Move it. Now we have pr, est, pressed. Very good. Now let's take it back and let's try bl, est, blessed. Very good. Now we'll take it back and let's try fl, est, flessed. Good job. Let's remove that and try, how about this one? Tr, est, trust. Good job. Now let's try a different word family. How about ac? And let's combine it with our cl sound. And we have cl, ac, clack. Very good. Now let's try our pl sound. Pl, ac, plaque, plaque. Very good. Now let's try, how about this one? Gr, ac, crack. Very good. Now let's get rid of our ac sound and try our ink sound. Now we have gr, ink, grink. Very good. And let's remove this and put our br sound. Now we have br, ink, brink. Very good. Now let's move that and try, how about our pr sound? And now we have pr, ink, prink. And let's see, if we take our ink sound and change it with our im. Now we have pr, im, prim. And let's try one more. Let's take our im, bring it back, and try, pr, at, prat. And if I change the beginning blend and have fr, now I have fr, at, frat. Very good. This is how we make words. We take blends, word families, put them together. We have a word. Very good. Good reading. Okay, now we're in our fourth section. We call this regroup. And this is where you come back together as a group and we talk about sight words, or we talk about what we did in our group session. If you were in person, you would be doing your group section, making words, playing games, word games, that kind of thing. But right now, we are going to make some sight words. Now, we call these sight words because you can't sound them out all the time. Sometimes you can, sometimes you can't. But these are words that you see all the time when you're reading in a book. So we call them sight words because you want to just memorize them, know them by sight, because you're going to see them so often in books. That's why we practice these words. Okay, you ready? I'll write the word. You try and read it as I'm writing it, and then we'll practice reading them together. Okay, let's start. Here's our first one. Can you read that one? This one you can sound out. Grass, grass, grass. But you can't sound them all out. Okay, here's our next one. Glass. Class. Dress. Skin. This word rhymes with skin. Bring. Well, not really. Small. Still. Plan. Trip. And notice all of our sight words have blends. They're starting with the blends. Flat. Drop. Step. Spot. Spell. Stop. Stick. Black. Block. Now, do you notice some words on these sight words that have follow the fizzle rule? Do you notice some of them? There's a short vowel, you double the S. Grass, glass, class, all of these are the fizzle rule. Dress, small, let's see, still, spell. That's it. Those are our words with the fizzle rule. Okay, let's write some more sight words. From, even, open. This is a longer one. Hundred. Another long one. Problem. travel, control, evening, planet, often, seven, and our last sight word, suffix. All right, let's read these together. Ready? From, even, open, 100, problem, travel, control, evening, planet, often, 7, suffix. Now watch out when you're spelling 7. You always want to put an I here, so this is why we have to memorize that. The number 7 will have this E here, 7. But the way we pronounce it, it kind of sounds like there's an I, but it's an E. So we memorize it. Okay, very good. These are all our sight words. Let's reread the sight words that we first started with. Grass, glass, class, dress, skin, bring, small, still, plan, trip, flat, drop, step, spot, spell, stop, stick, black, and block. And notice you have word family, blend, black. So if you can't read this right away, sound it out. Break it into parts. Like this one, at, flat, all, small. Very good, good reading. Now, in our 5th section and our 6th section, we're going to do writing and reading. So in the 5th, the writing section, you can get a piece of paper and a pencil or a whiteboard that you can write on with a dry erase marker. And I'm going to say the sound, and then you're going to write it. So if I said, you would write, And if I said, you would write, So you can pause the video and get your paper and pencil so you can write. So I'm going to say the sound, and you're going to write the sound, and then I'll write it, and you correct it and say, oh yeah, that's what I wrote. Okay, so you ready? We're going to do this section first, and then on the reading section, I'm going to show you some sounds, words, and sentences, and you're going to read them, and then I'll read them out loud, and you can check if you were right. Okay, ready? We'll get started. So we'll write the sound, What would you write for Did you write? Very good. How about We're going to do our vowels first. Did you write the letter E? How about I? Very good. And how about What would you write for Very good. And how about Which vowel will make the sound? Did you write this? Very good. You are right. Now let's try some blends. How about pr? Pr. Two sounds. Pr. Pr. Very good. Now how about tr? Very good. And next is gr. 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 How about br? Can you write the br sound? Very good. Cr. Cr. Fr. 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 And dr. There's our dr sound. How about pl? Pl. Very good. How about cl? Cl. Bl. Bl. Now fl. Very good. Sl. Gl. St. Sp. Sk. And another way to write sk. So if you wrote either of these for sk, you were right. They both make the sk sound. So how about sw? And sm. Sm. Sn. There's sn. And twa. Twa. And how about dwa? There's our dwa. Very good.